All right, folks, buckle up. If you're an Nvidia investor or even just watching the AI space, you're going to want to hear this. Remember all that market jitters about a potential slowdown in AI spending? Forget about it. The big boys, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet, they're not just talking about AI, they're betting the farm on it. And that means huge things for Nvidia. Are you ready to dive in and see why this is the best news Nvidia investors have gotten so far this year? Let's get started. Let's break down the immediate impact. First and foremost, Nvidia's stock is getting a serious shot in the arm. All that uncertainty about demand? Gone. This reaffirmed commitment to AI infrastructure spending is like a giant green light for Nvidia's future growth. Think about it. These tech giants need Nvidia's GPUs to power their AI ambitions. We're talking about increased revenue, higher profits, and a major validation of Nvidia's entire strategy. They're the kings of the data center GPU market, and this news just cemented their position. This isn't just good, it's fantastic. We're talking about the potential for significant gains, people. And speaking of strategy, let's talk about the Blackwell processor. This is Nvidia's next-generation AI chip, and it's a game-changer. The fact that these companies are investing so heavily in AI knowing Blackwell is on the horizon proves just how crucial Nvidia's technology is. This isn't just about current capabilities. It's about the future of AI. It's about building the infrastructure to support the next wave of innovation, and Nvidia is right at the heart of it. Think of it as the engine powering the AI revolution. Are you excited yet? I am. Now, let's zoom out a bit. This isn't just about Nvidia. This AI boom is creating a massive ripple effect across the entire tech landscape. Think about companies like ASML, who make the equipment used to manufacture semiconductors. Nvidia's increased production means more demand for their machines. It's a win-win. And what about data center providers like Equinix and Digital Realty? They're going to see a surge in demand for their services. This isn't just a tech story, it's an infrastructure story. It's about building the foundation for the future of AI. Imagine the scale of this undertaking. It's mind-blowing. And then there's the cloud. AWS, Azure, GCP. They're all locked in a fierce battle to offer the best AI services. This competition is driving innovation and potentially lowering prices for businesses and consumers. It's like an AI arms race, and we're all going to benefit. Think about the possibilities. Faster AI development, more accessible AI tools, and a whole new wave of AI-powered applications. This is a game-changer for every industry, from healthcare to finance. Are you seeing the bigger picture here? This is huge. And let's not forget the AI software and application developers. The increased availability of powerful AI infrastructure makes it easier and more cost-effective for them to create and deploy AI-powered applications. This is where the real innovation happens. We're talking about everything from self-driving cars to personalized medicine. The possibilities are endless. It's like giving these developers the keys to the kingdom, and they're ready to build something amazing. This is where the magic happens, folks. Now, let's be real. This AI boom isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are some serious socio-economic implications we need to address. The acceleration of AI adoption could lead to job displacement in certain industries. We need to be proactive about retraining and upskilling the workforce to adapt to the changing job market. This isn't just about technology, it's about people. It's about ensuring that everyone has the opportunity to participate in the AI economy. We need to be responsible and ethical about how we deploy this technology. It's a double-edged sword, and we need to wield it carefully. And speaking of ethics, the widespread adoption of AI raises some serious concerns. We need to address issues like bias in algorithms, privacy concerns, and the potential for misuse of AI technology. This isn't just a technical problem, it's a societal problem. We need to have a serious conversation about the ethical implications of AI and ensure that it's used responsibly and for the benefit of humanity. We can't just blindly embrace this technology. We need to be critical and thoughtful about its impact. The future of AI depends on it. All right, let's pump the brakes for a second. While the news is overwhelmingly positive for Nvidia, it's crucial to acknowledge the potential risks. Remember that Chinese AI startup, DeepSeek? They're claiming to achieve state-of-the-art results at a fraction of the cost using older Nvidia processors. This is a direct threat to Nvidia's market dominance. It's a reminder that the AI landscape is constantly evolving, and Nvidia needs to stay ahead of the curve. Competition is fierce, and complacency is not an option. Let's not get too comfortable, folks. And speaking of vulnerabilities, let's talk about customer concentration. Nvidia's four largest customers, Microsoft, Meta, Amazon, Alphabet account for roughly 40% of its revenue. That's a significant risk. If one or more of these major customers significantly reduces their spending on Nvidia products, it could have a substantial impact on Nvidia's financial performance. It's like putting all your eggs in one basket. We need to be aware of this risk and monitor the spending patterns of these key customers. Diversification is key, folks. And then there's the geopolitical risk. Tensions between the US and China or other regions could disrupt supply chains, restrict access to key markets, or lead to regulatory challenges for Nvidia. The AI landscape is global, and geopolitical factors can have a significant impact on Nvidia's business. We need to be aware of these risks and factor them into our investment decisions. The world is a complex place, and we need to be prepared for anything. Don't underestimate the impact of geopolitics. Finally, let's revisit the ethical considerations. The increased adoption of AI raises serious concerns about bias in algorithms, job displacement, and the potential for misuse of AI technology. Nvidia has a responsibility to ensure that its technology is used ethically and to mitigate these risks. This isn't just about profits, it's about doing the right thing. We need to hold Nvidia accountable for its ethical responsibilities and demand that it prioritizes the responsible use of AI. The future of AI depends on it. So, what's the bottom line? The reaffirmed commitment to AI infrastructure spending is undoubtedly fantastic news for Nvidia investors. It validates Nvidia's strategy, boosts its revenue, and reinforces its position as the leader in the data center GPU market. However, it's crucial to be aware of the potential risks, including competition, customer concentration, geopolitical tensions, and ethical considerations. While the future looks bright, it's important to approach Nvidia with cautious optimism and to conduct thorough due diligence before making any investment decisions. Remember, folks, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay profitable. Thanks for watching.